Hello, Alili. Kamusta ka na? Happy birthday! I love you! I miss you! After 30 years, nandito pa rin ako. Eto, matanda na, pero cute pa rin. Sana maligaya ka sa iyong karawan. Sana magkita pa rin tayo. Eto, matanda na. Yan pa rin si Mia. Happy birthday! Stay good and healthy. Bye! Andito ako sa work.
Kamusta ka na, Ate Lenny? Nadagdagan naman ang age mo. Gumaganda ka, lalo ka pang gumaganda. Hindi ka naman tumatanda. Huwag kang mag-alala. Nandiyan ang Diyos na gumagabay sa pamilya mo. Sa mga anak mo na mababait. Alaga ka niya ng pagtanda. Sa lahat ng ginagawang sakripisyo sa mga anak mo. May kapalit lahat ng mabuti. Binabati kita ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Aleli. God bless you.
Happy birthday po, Ate Aleli. God bless you po. Sana po lagi kayong good health and wish you all the best po. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Aleli. Happy birthday. God bless your family. Always good health. Sana yung pangarap natin sa anak natin matupad. Again, happy birthday.
Hi po, tita. Happy birthday po. Kamusta na po kayo? Sana po okay lang kayo. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tita. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lily! Kumusta ka na? Long time no see, no? Matanda na tayo. Best wishes sa'yo, Mare. Sana maging healthy ka pa. Umaba pa ang buhay mo para sa mga anak mo, sa mister mo. Ano ba masabi ko? Basta pagka naligaw kayo dito bandang Tipolo, dahil na kayo dito sa bahay, ha? Ingat na lang, Mare, and happy birthday na lang ulit. Sama kayo sa Japan. Ako guide. Diyan happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Mars, kumusta na? Hindi na tayo nakakapag-bandi kasi pareho tayong mga busy. Sabi ko, 50th birthday mo na pala, sabi ko. Pero kahit may mga edad na tayo, pretty pa rin and sexy. Tapos, happy birthday pala Mars. Good luck sa'yo at sa family. God bless you.
Hey, kamusta? Happy birthday. Thank you kasi naalala ako ng dalaga mo na isa sa mga babae sa'yo. Sana very soon papasyal ka lang. Antipolo. Wish you good health and more blessings, longer life. Alam mo, from the very start, na nakilala kita, magana ang loob ko sa'yo, alam ko mabait ka. Sana, very soon, magpapatayo ka rin ng bahay dito sa tabi ko na para may kaming bahay na ako. Happy birthday. Love you more.
Hi, Ate Lily. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best on your life and sana maraming birthday pa ang dumating para sa iyo. And looking forward to see you all. I love you. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi Ate Alili, kumusta na? Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana marami pang birthdays ang dumating sa buhay mo. At more blessings to come in your family. And good health to your family as well. Tapos, ingat kayo palagi. Maraming salamat. Kumusta na lang po sa inyo lahat. Kila Auntie. God bless you more. And happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Raisa, from Paul, Iser, and John's family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ta! humaba pa ang ating buhay. Stay pretty. Love you.
Happy birthday po, tita. I hope you have a very beautiful and blissful birthday and more blessings to come and illness and I hope na hanggang ngayon kahit matanda na po tayo, medyo tumatanda. Pero I hope na na-fulfill na-fulfill niyo po yung pangarap niyo kahit paunti-unti po. Eh, siyempre may sabihin ko si Nika. Ano yun? Nasabi niyo na po. Happy birthday po. Ilan taon na po kayo? Happy birthday po. Sabi ko kayo yung kalimutan na. Thank you po sa lahat ng pag-aalala niyo po sa amin. Pag nandiyan po sa inyo. Thank you po sa pamasko. I'm looking forward. Me too.
Okay na?
Happy birthday po. Open jobi. Umalit ako sa inyo. Check niyo kami na.
Hello, Alili. Kamusta kayo dyan? Happy birthday! Sa iyo, naway dumating pa maraming birthday sa iyong buhay para sa iyong pamilya. God bless! We love you!
Hello, good evening po. Gabi na dito, ate. So, bago ang lahat, binabati kita sa kaarawan mo na I pray that you have a long and satisfied life kasama ang Panginoon natin. And I don't have any diamond or any gold. Just, I want to say to you that happy birthday and we love you.
Hello, Ate Alili. Happy birthday. God bless you.
First of all, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I hope everything that you desire will be granted by our Lord, in due time. I believe you're a strong woman. I thank God at patuloy na binibigyan kanya ng kalakasan, physically, emotionally, spiritually. And kung ano man may mga desire ng puso mo, I believe God will continuously bless you. As long as patuloy ka rin umaasa at nananalig sa Kanya. So, ayun. Most memorable moment ko with Atile is yung grade 1 ako, nung graduate grade 1, hindi pala gumag-graduate ng grade 1. Nung commencement exercise namin, naalala ko pa nung time na umakyat ako sa stage, bawal kasi yata sila pumasok noon, nandun sila sa labas ng gate naghihintay. So talaga namang although malalambing talaga yung mga kapatid ko na babae, plus may pinsan pa akong kagaya ni Ate Le, talaga namang baby ako that time. So ayun, nag-aabang si Ate Le sa labas, may dalang kwintas ng sampagita ata yun. So yun, talagang hanggang ngayon naalala ko pa rin Tile. And in God's time talagang magkakasama ulit tayo for a reunion. I hope na patuloy na i-bless ka ng Diyos ng kalakasan, si Chang Alili din po, at yung husband mo si Bayaw, alam ko na talagang kayo mag-asawa ay matatag na couple. You know, the fact na patuloy nyo na itaguyod yung mga pamangkin ko, and alam ko na proud sa inyo yung mga anak ninyo dahil sa patuloy na suporta nyo sa kanila. So in God's time, magkakasama-sama ulit tayo. So I just want to say thank you for everything, for all the support na binigay nyo sa amin nung magkakasama pa tayo sa Valenzuela. And always keep in touch. Mahal tayo ni God, and patuloy lang tayo manampalataya sa Kanya. Alam ko na ipagkakaloob niya lahat ng bagay na hiningin natin according to His perfect will and according to His perfect time. So praise God sa buhay mo, Ate Lay, and enjoy your day. Have a blessed. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pinsan! Happy birthday, Pinsan!
Happy birthday, Alili. Sana masumaba pa ang buhay mo. Ingat kayo palagi. Kumusta na lang. Ikumusta mo na lang ako sa nanay mo, ha? Happy birthday ulit. At
Hi, Auntie Lily. Happy birthday.
Hey, you know I love you, right? Yes, I do. I love you. I hope this put a smile on your face, cause somebody loves you. Mwah!
Magandang gabi po. In behalf of the Kupan family po, I would like to greet Brother Ramil a happy and blessed birthday po. Hopefully, enjoy yung life niyo po, ha. Stay healthy, holy, and happy.
Happy birthday po, Tito! Kamusta na po kayo? We have good health, long life. God bless!
Happy birthday po, Tito Ramil!
Happy birthday po, Tito! Happy birthday po! Maraming salamat po dahil pinapayalo na po si Cheche na lumigo po sa akin. Yun na po, lumigo. Salamat po ano daw? Salamat sa magpapatuloy ng sa inyong tahanan. Yes po, sa inyong ay, kung hindi pa po nag-sign si Cheche. Ako na rin lumabas. Tama tayo sila sa mapasukin. Ano ba sabihin ko? Salamat po sa pamimigay niyo sa amin ng papasok. Hindi tayo binibigyan ng boss screen natin na. Hindi sa papa. Oo nga. Forward ka.
Ganto na kayo.
Hindi namin ni Ate Ale. Galing tayo sa mga namamaskwa niya tapos binibigay niya. Pero ano po, we're looking forward po sa joke lang po. Happy birthday po ulit. Happy birthday po. Stay strong, healthy, and God bless. God bless po and your family and Chiaki Kawabata and all of your members of the family. And go, Hanjol. Salute.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po, Tito!
Good morning, Philippines. Kapatid na Ramil, kapatid na Lily. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat yan sa Pilipinas at binabati ko kayo ng magandang kaarawan sa bawat sa inyo. Ito po pagbati galing sa Montreal, Canada sa inyong kapatid sa Panginoon, Brother Dindo. I wish and pray sa inyong kaarawan ngayong araw, sa inyong birthday. Naway marami pang darating na birthday sa inyong buhay at patuloy kayo mag-serve sa Panginoon. I wish laging good health at strength sa inyong physical na pangatawan sa araw-araw. At kumusta po sa inyong lahat dyan, and God bless you all.
Hello, Ramil. Hello, Alili. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. More blessings and good health sa inyo. Sana pagpalain kayo lagi na ating pong may kapal, ilayo sa madisgrasya, sa sakit, gayon din sa iyong mga anak. Sige,
God bless po.
Bye-bye. God bless you. And happy birthday ulit sa inyong dalawa. Ha?
See you soon!
Love you. We miss you. See you soon, ha. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Ate Lily. Sana, gising ko lang. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday ulit. Sana maraming birthday pa dumating sa inyong dalawa. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Ate Lily. Happy birthday. I wish you good health, prosperity, and long life. Enjoy your special day with your family and friends. Once again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Tita Lily and Tito Ramil, happy birthday to both of you. Una ko pong message is para kay Tita Lily. Happy birthday, Tita Lily. Ang sandal niyo na po, joke. Pero tita. Kayo po yung tita na maganda na galing Japan. Namiss ko na po yung kulay nyo. Yung maputi kayo, yung nagbababad kayo sa bathtub. Yun. And tita, happy birthday and always good health and stay served to God and enjoy your luckiest day. And ayun, don't worry.
Hi Tito, happy birthday. Stay foggy and God will bless you more and more. Happy birthday. Tita, happy birthday. More birthdays to come and God will bless you more and more. Happy birthday. Hi Tito Ramil, happy birthday. Maraming birthday sa darating sa buhay mo, Tito Ramil. Pogi ka araw-araw ka lang. I love you, Tita. Happy birthday. God bless you, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita. And more birthday to God. God bless. And marami pa darating sa buhay. I love you, Tita.
Happy birthday, Ate Lely. Naway bigyan ka pa ng marami pang birthday, good health, at sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay mo at sa mga anak mo naway matupad. God bless. Kuya Ramil, happy birthday din sa'yo. Sana yung mga problema na yan, kalimutan mo na. Lilipas lang yan, kuya. Bigyan ka pa ng mabuting kalusugan habang mahabang buhay. Always pray lang at smile lang.
Happy birthday, Alele. Naway sa iyong araw na ito, ang wish ko sa iyo, patuloy ka maging malakas at malusog at magkaroon ka ng maraming kaarawan sa iyong buhay. Kung ano man ang sa iyong mga pinapangarap sa buhay, naway matupad yun. At ano man malayo pa sa mga kalingawan, naway kung ano man nararamdaman mo sa iyong katawan, naway lubusan naman kumalik. Goiter, sana'y lubusan na yung magaling. Alam ko magaling na. Happy birthday. Ikaw, Ramil. Happy birthday. Belated happy birthday sa'yo. Away. Alam nais malampasan ang lahat ng mga pagkasalukuyan mo. Kailangan sa buhay dahil sa patuloy na nagsisipag-aral ng mga anak na way tuloy ka maging malakas at malusog. At ang lahat ng mga problema mo tumaranaw ay malakas ang buhay sa lahat ng mga panasal. Sa iyo pinapasan ng mga anak at ang susan ng mga kaway.
Where's the drums?
Ooh, girl, you're shining like a Fifth Avenue diamond, and they don't make you like they used to. You're never going out of style. Ooh, pretty baby, this world might have gone crazy. The way you save me, who could blame me when I just wanna make you smile? I wanna do you like Michael, I wanna kiss you like Prince. Let's get it on like Marvin Gaye, like Hathaway. Write a song for you like this. You're over my head, I'm out of my mind, thinking I was born in the wrong time. One of a kind, living in a world gone plastic. Baby, you're so classic. Baby, you're so classic. Baby, you're so classic. Oh, a dozen roses, anything for you to notice. All the way to serenade you, doing it's not style. I'ma pick you up in a Cadillac like a gentleman, bring it glamour back, keep it real to real in the way I feel. I could walk you down the aisle. I wanna do you like Michael, I wanna kiss you like Prince. Let's get it on like Marvin Gaye, like Hathaway. Write a song for you like this. You're over my head, I'm out of my mind, thinking I was born in the wrong time. It's like I rewind, everything is so throwback-ish. I kinda like it how you're out of my league, old school chic, like a movie star from the silver screen. You're one of a kind, living in a world gone plastic. Baby, you're so classic. Baby, you're so classic. Baby, you're so classic.
Baby, you're class and baby, you're sick. I never met a girl like you ever till we met. A star in the 40s, centerfold in the 50s. Got me tripping out like 60s, hippies. Queen of the discotheque. A 70s dream and an 80s best. Hepburn, Beyonce, Marilyn, Massive. Girl, you're timeless. Just so classy.
Over my head, I'm out of my mind, thinking I was born in the wrong time. It's like I rewind, everything was so throwback-ish. I kinda like it how you're out of my league, old school chic, like a movie star from the silver screen. You're one of a kind, living in a world gone plastic. Baby, you're so classic. Baby, you're so classic. Yeah, yeah. gray skies out of my way. You make the sunshine brighter than Doris Day. Turn the bright spark into a flame. My beats per minute never been the same. 'Cause you're my lady, I'm your fool. It makes me crazy when you act so cruel. Come on, baby, let's not fight. We'll go dancing, everything will be alright. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. 'Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that Heading out, baby, moving tight. We'll go dancing tomorrow night. It's cold out there, but it's warm in bed. They can dance, we'll stay home instead. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. 'Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. Wake me up before you go. Don't you care to leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Take me dancing. Boom, 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 boom. Oh.
Birthday, Insan. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Love you, Insan. Happy birthday. Birthday, Insan. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Love you, Insan. Happy birthday.
Mayo akong time. Iba na kasi itong trabaho ko, ha? Noon nakakausap ko si mama mo sa sa dati kong trabaho yon. Marami akong time. Ngayon ay wala akong kaoras-oras. Pakibati na lang ako sa kanya ng happy birthday.